Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create color petal in Canva. Friends, in Canva you can make color petal from your own image very easily. So open canva.com /color /color petal generator in your web browser. I will leave the URL in the description. Now here you will find the option to upload an image to generate color petal, or you can try demo image also. I will upload an image from my device. Select the file and click on open. Now immediately it will show color petals for above image. You can use color code also. You can simply copy it by selecting, or you can copy it from here also. To copy the color code of this color, you need to do the same. So like this you can very easily make color petal from a uploaded image, or you can use endless color petal ideas as given here. You can click any of the color. From here you can see how many people like these colors. So friends, like this you can play around and create color petals in Canva. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.